Good morning, students. So today it is your second online class. Last day I discussed about classification of computers based on sizes. There are four types of computers I discussed. Now you can see that I have written three types over here: mini computer, mainframe computer, supercomputer. I have already discussed microcomputer with you all, and I have told you that this is the mostly used computers. This is the mostly used computers, and there are different types of computers like desktop, laptop, palm top, tablet, etc. So we have discussed about microcomputer last day. So today let us start discussing about mini computer, and along with that I will discuss all these two types of computers, with all these three computers together. Now mini computer in size size is greater than microcomputer or PC, because we all read last day that the other name of microcomputer is PC, okay, personal computer. But size is less than mainframe computer and supercomputer, okay, mainframe and supercomputer. Not only in size, in price also, as well as processing speed, because mini computer can process thousands of instructions per second, okay, per second. Where now thousands of instructions, mini computer can execute thousands of instructions per second. And mini computer, the other name of mini computer is mid-range computer. Remember this thing, mid-range computers. It is called, the another name of mini computer is mid-range computer. Now these are the facts about mini computers, and mini computers are generally used in small enterprises, small business, small banking purposes. For small purposes, small means bigger than the places where we cannot use microcomputer at the time, okay. In those places at least mini computer can be used in small scale industry, mainly in small scale industries. Now mainframe computer is larger, the size, price, both the size is larger than mini computer and microcomputer, but less than supercomputer. It is greater than the previous two, less than this one in size. In price, it is, it should be in this way. In price also it is expensive than mini computer and microcomputer, but cheaper than supercomputer. Next, in processing speed, millions of instructions can be executed. Millions of instructions can be executed using mainframe computer at a time, per second, okay. So in mini computer it was thousands of computers, in mainframe computer it is millions of instructions, okay. Mainly used in banking sector, financial sectors, banking sector, financial sector, like your financial services, stock exchange. Okay, You all know the name of stock exchanges where we can see the transactions. Now, supercomputer. Supercomputer are the largest in size, expensive, most expensive one, and it can execute billions of instructions per second. Okay. Now, supercomputers mainly used in scientific researches, then in your defense system, in meteorological offices where weather forecasting is very much essential. In those places, supercomputers can be used. One more thing, mini computer can be mainly for general purpose. That means varieties of operations can be performed. In mainframe computer also general purpose, where varieties of different jobs can be performed. But supercomputer is specific or special purpose, where only some specific jobs can be performed. Okay, and now let me discuss something about supercomputer. Only about supercomputer. Supercomputer around 1964 or 65, during this time period, the first supercomputer in the world was developed, named Cray CDC 6600. It was developed by Seymour Cray. Seymour Cray developed this device. This is the first known supercomputer in the world. And in India, in the year 1992, Vijay Bhatkar, scientist Vijay Bhatkar developed the first supercomputer in India, named as Param Shiva. This is the first supercomputer developed in India in 1992. Now, there are many more supercomputers developed afterwards. Param Brahma, all are named with Param. Okay, those Param series. Now, in India, right now, it is observed that Pratyush, the supercomputer Pratyush, is the fastest supercomputers in India, and it is placed in the first 50 Pratyush is the fastest supercomputers in India, and it is also placed in the top 50 supercomputers in India. Top 50 supercomputers in the world. Pratyush was placed over there along with Mihir. Mihir is also placed in the top 50 supercomputers in the world. These are the main supercomputers in India. Other than these, there are other supercomputers like Anurag series was there, Anupam series was there. These are the different supercomputers in India. Okay, these are the series. So, supercomputers are mainly specific or special purpose computers, whereas mainframe and mini computers as well as microcomputers are generally your general purpose computers. Okay, and supercomputer executes billions of instructions at a time. Mainframe computer executes millions of instructions at a time, and mini computer executes thousands of instructions at a time. Okay, so this is the concept of your different types of computers or different types of computers based on size. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone right now. This is all for today. Thank you, students.